Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Burlington, and I'm going to see what they have new. We'll check out the women's clothes and any clearance items I see. It looks like they added a lot of clearance in the juniors section, so I'm going to check that out. They have this Mickey Mouse t-shirt, a super cute 3-pack shirt. So we got $6.99 for 2 shirts and $12.99 for that top. $7.99. This t-shirt is $4.49. Little black v-neck. $4.99 for this floral shirt. That is really pretty. And SpongeBob $4.99 for this t-shirt. And a tie-dye pink Floyd. I think we saw that last time. It was $5.99. Cruella $4.99 for that Disney tee. And $2.99 for a white t-shirt. $4.99 for this cold shoulder sweater. I love this AC/DC cropped hoodie. It ended up being $9.99. And they have this cute camo. We have a lot of these red Las Vegas shirts. This extra spicy shirt's $5.99. It's cool that you can find Aeropostale here and American Eagle. So I hope you liked seeing what was new at Burlington. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.